If you own a pool, there's something most people never hear. And it's the reason some pools stay easy and others slowly turn into money pits. And to understand it, we need to look at 3 simple truths that quietly build into it. I'm Clark with Monaco Pool, and if you take care of your own pool, these are the things that save people the most frustration. The first truth is this: most people test their chlorine first. But chlorine only works properly when your pH and stabilizer are in range. So if those aren't right, the chlorine readings you see aren't telling the full story. And everything you add after that is usually based on the wrong starting point. The second truth is what almost nobody is told on day 1. Your pH controls how strong chlorine actually is. Once your pH gets above 7.8 ppm, your chlorine starts losing most of its power. At pH 8, it's only about 20% effective. At 8.5, it's closer to 10%. So you keep adding chlorine, but it can't do its job. That gets expensive fast. The third truth is stabilizer, which is also called CYA. A little stabilizer protects chlorine from sunlight, but too much makes chlorine almost disappear. That's why some pools turn green or cloudy, even when everything looks normal on the surface. When stabilizer gets too high, chlorine's still in the pool, but it just can't kill anything. And these 3 things is what leads you into the part that nobody warns you about. A lot of pool owners rely on quick tests or numbers that don't show the full picture. And when pH, stabilizer, alkalinity, or hardness drift out of range, you burn through chlorine, your plaster can slowly wear down, and equipment like pumps or heaters don't last as long. This is how a pool becomes expensive without anything dramatic happening. It's just chemistry you can't see. The good news is there's a fix. A proper drop test kit reads stabilizer correctly, pH correctly, and gives you solid numbers you can trust. I'll link the exact drop test kit I recommend in the description. It's under 60 bucks, lasts forever, and saves you hundreds every season. Which of these truths were new to you? Drop a comment below, and I'll read as many as I can. And here's the part nobody warned you about. There's one thing that almost every pool owner adds to their pool every single week, and it's in the center of the biggest pool lie in the entire industry. The video on screen explains it, and once you see it, your whole pool will finally make sense. Watch here.